In this episode of Encap TV, let's talk about bonnets for your Cimex machine. When, where, why would you use bonnets on a Cimex machine? Stick around to find out more. So normally, when we clean with a Cimex machine, we put the 8-inch Fiber Plus pads onto the machine and we perform encapsulation cleaning. Fiber Plus pads are extremely efficient because their agitation works really well to scrub the carpet fiber, to loosen the embedded soil from the carpet fiber. The encapsulation process takes over. Whether we're working with the cream colored Fiber Plus pads or the gray colored Fiber Plus pads, the Fiber Plus Max, either one works great for encapsulation cleaning, and you really don't need anything else. So why are we talking about bonnets today? Well, there are situations where you might just consider using bonnets on your Cimex machine. When carpets are exceedingly soiled, for example, you've got a heavily soiled walk-off area, perhaps there's a high traffic area, and you've cleaned like normal with the Cimex machine. You've made a wet pass, you've made 2 or 3 dry passes, you're working with it, and it just seems to be resisting you a little bit. That happens sometimes. That's where we want to talk about using bonnets. Bonnets can really help us for heavily soiled traffic lanes. So what you want to do in those situations where the traffic lane is really resisting cleaning, what you want to do is pull off your Fiber Plus pads and dampen this and put either the scrub bonnet, the glide bonnet, which is better for softer carpets. This has a little bit more agitation to it, or the Tuway thin one bonnets, whichever one you prefer to work with. They're all 3 excellent. We sell a lot of them. You finish up your encapsulation cleaning, and in those few isolated areas where things are really looking rough, put the bonnet on there and then make a couple of passes with the bonnet. You will be surprised to see how much better the carpets will look in those really hammered areas. I learned this trick a few years ago. Well, actually, quite a few years ago. I was cleaning an account and it hadn't been cleaned in a really long time. And in front of the counter, it was in a store, the carpet was just trashed. And the whole carpet cleaned up really well, no problems, but just in front of the counter particularly, it just looked kind of grungy, even though we had performed a good encapsulation process using our Cimex machine. We put bonnets on our Cimex machine and ran back over the carpet. What we saw was remarkable. It really was surprising to see how much better those areas looked where the carpet was actually trashed, where it was really grungy and it wasn't coming clean. It just brought it together. So that's an area where you'd want to consider using bonnets. Now, what about just performing normal bonnet cleaning with a Cimex machine? We don't really recommend it. Why not? When we think about bonnets, like a 17-inch bonnet or 19-inch bonnet, let's say you're using a rotary machine or an orbital scrubber, you've got a lot of real estate there with that bonnet. With these small 8-inch bonnets, it's not going to do absolutely ultimate bonnet cleaning per se as a bonnet cleaning standalone method. Really, the Cimex machine is well built for encapsulation cleaning, but using bonnets after encap cleaning where the carpet is particularly messed up really does a great job of bringing everything together and making it look great. While we're talking about these 8-inch bonnets, let's talk about 2 more things. Let's talk about the drill driver and the Bonnet Mitt. So let's first talk about the drill driver. The drill driver can be attached to any drill. I recommend, though, you use a drill that has a side handle attachment, one with a side handle attachment. The reason why is that it can get a little wonky to hold on to it using just your hand on a single drill. But with a side handle attachment, you can blast through things. And where this is really handy, when you put the 8-inch drill driver together with one of our 8-inch pads, you've got something that you can go after stairs or get into tight areas where you couldn't get your machine. Works really, really well for those tight areas, again with the drill with a side handle. You can also remove this chuck out of the center and it could be put onto an angle grinder if you prefer to use that. But with the chuck, you can simply put it right on any drill, and just as simple as that, you've got something that you can use for getting into tight areas. So if you're using the 8-inch bonnets, I recommend picking up a drill driver also. So now let's talk about the Bonnet Mitt. The Bonnet Mitt is basically two of the two-way bonnets sandwiched together. It has a scrub strip in the middle, as you see here, gives it a little bit more agitation. You can slip your hand inside of it, or you can simply hold on to it and scrub. Either way, you can use both sides of it. What's nice about this, when you're working with an encapsulation detergent like Encap Clean DS2, you simply dunk this into a bucket of solution into your detergent, wring it out, and begin scrubbing over the upholstery. It's a low moisture method. You'll see it just foams up nicely and cleans really well, and it's great when you're working with commercial upholstery. Makes a simple way to get all of that surface soil off, the oils that are on the surface and the dust that gets on the upholstery. So those are some nice things that you can consider working with 8-inch bonnets on your Cimex machine, or putting them onto the drill driver. And don't forget the Bonnet Mitt for upholstery. Just a few more tools that will help you max your end cap. That's what we're all about here at Excellent Supply. We want to help you max your end cap. If you've used any of these products, or you have questions, or you want to share comments, please put it in the comment section below, and give us a thumbs up if you would, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thanks for watching Encap TV.